Welcome to this brief screencast. Today I'm going to show you how to create microprofile applications from within Visual Studio Code. If you've looked at any of my videos before, you'll have seen the MicroProfile Starter website, start.microprofile.io. This allows you to create Maven projects based upon different parameters such as the group ID, the artifact ID, the microprofile version, and the microprofile server. In Visual Studio, a new plugin is being released that allows you to do exactly the same without leaving the editor. To install the plugin, go to the Extensions option and search for MicroProfile. There you'll see the MicroProfile Starter plugin. I've already got this installed, but if you haven't, just simply click the Install button to install it. Once you've got that installed, you can fire it up by bringing up the command palette and simply typing in MicroProfile Starter. This then gives you the same options that you'd get on the web page. For example, specify the group ID, specify the artifact ID, specify Java SE version, we'll use Java SE 8. MicroProfile, we'll use MicroProfile 2. And then it shows you all the different application servers that support that version. So we'll choose Apache Tommy. It then shows you the different microprofile specifications you can choose from. In this example, we'll add health checks. Click OK. The extension will then ask you, where do you want to store the project? We'll generate it here. MicroProfile will then create the project and open it up within the editor. So as you can see, we've got the pom.xml, we've got the source, and in this example, we've created a sample REST application. What we can do with this is update it to the latest version of Tommy, so that's Tommy 8. Now we can compile and run the application. So the server is now running. If we go to our browser, go to HTTP localhost 8080, we see there's our application running, and there's the health check that we created. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick video showing how to create microprofile applications within Visual Studio Code. Till next time, thanks, bye.